Trump's common defendants lost their proposal to prevent the upcoming Georgia election intervention proceedings. A judge. Georgia prosecutors rejected various arguments from the defendants Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro before they began to put their cases in front of a jury. The judge approves the wide use of the basic penalty charter. Former President Donald Trump's two common defendants remained on the road to start trial on Monday. After rejecting a series of arguments for the Georgian election intervention, Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro, who are among 19 people accused in case, should be confused with more than one reasons, including AIM accusations they encountered prosecutors to target an extreme troll behavior. He states that he is part of a penalty conspiracy to illegally change outcome 2020 presidential elections. On Tuesday, the Fulton County Supreme Court Judge Scott McAfee, Powell and Chesebro rejected the pre-hearing arguments. The movements were rejected after examining the law, records and arguments of the parties and found that every challenging number was solid as claimed. When McAfee approaches Trump's hearing in Georgia, it gives an idea of how it could cope with similar legal strategies that have not yet been planned, refused. As a part of the alleged conspiracy, prosecutors said that Powell had organized an illegal election equipment in the city of Coffee County in Georgia. However, McAfee pushed his decision back and pointed out a directive in a directive within the regulation, indicating that it should be liberally interpreted. McAfee also rejected a number challenges that each of Powell and Chesebro brought to conspiracy charges faced, and decided that most these challenges are dealing with more facts to be discussed in the trial. McAfee still did not mention all the challenges brought by the couple, especially first change through a separate order of the indictment will discuss a defense claim that violated right to free speech. So far, only one defendant, Scott Hall, has made a defense agreement. Hall, intentionally intervening in performance of the election tasks and to accept testify in future transactions. He faced 5 years of detention. He claimed that he had illegally tampered with electronic voting signs and tabling machines.